Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Dean Rod Vera, and in this video, I'll give you 100 tips on becoming a new member of the bar. All right, welcome back. In this video, as I explained, it's part of my 100 tips of lawyers. This video is number 21 to 25. Let's begin. Tip number 21. Learn the latest legal developments. Learning does not stop. Our Supreme Court or maybe the highest court in your jurisdiction always comes out with decisions, and a majority of these decisions have value in the jurisprudence realm. They may have breaking cases, they may have breaking decisions that will determine the policy and the treatment of how laws are created. Now, keeping up to date with the news doesn't mean you have to keep up to date with all the news. You don't need to talk about the Kathleen breakup. Go to the relevant court websites, download decisions that you think you might need in the future, such as those in the remedial law or the practice of field or the field that you are in. Remember, judges and opposing counsels are also going to be up to date with the latest court decisions. Tip number 22, learn a new skill. Again, as I said a while ago, learning never stops. But learn something outside of the lawyer world. Maybe take up a musical instrument, maybe take up a hobby, knitting, crochet, flag making. Just don't learn how to sing. I don't need the competition. Just make sure that the new skill that you will learn is not a techie skill. You don't need another TikToker. And also make sure that the skill that you will learn is a manual skill. Maybe something like carpentry or woodworking, or even maybe fishing. Tip number 23. Now you don't have to do this, but it adds to your credibility, it adds to your resume. Try to learn a new language or even a dialect. It pads up your resume and it creates an impression to your clients and to the outside world that you had the time and the effort to learn a new language. Maybe in the future, you will work abroad or at least have foreign clients. Having to know their language will be more comfortable and you'll be able to get paid quicker. You know, learning a new skill will impress everyone. Clients, friends, even that high school crush that never gave you the time of day. Tip number 24. This I learned from a book. Remember birthdays, whether it be the clients or your friends. And don't use the Viber messaging or the Facebook reminders. Well, you use that to remind you of the birthday, but always send a personal message, whether it be a text or an email. Now, when you do that, that friend, that client will appreciate it. They know, hey, you greeted me personally on my birthday, not some AI or Viber-generated happy birthday message. In my previous tip, I asked you to make a calendar system. So using that calendar system, add birthday reminders of friends and most importantly, clients. Tip number 25. Never miss a call or text. If your phone system will allow it, get or operate a voicemail. These are for clients and friends who you think might refer you business. In this day and age, especially in the Western world, I've learned that returning messages, answering phone calls, responding to voicemail messages is, number one, professional, and number two, sets a precedent to those people that you care about their message, you care about their call. Whether it be an invite, a personal message, or even just as a hi or hello to touch base, return those calls, return those text messages. In the long run, these people remember you because you remembered them.
Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.